In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the ultimate crypto portfolio, the perfect crypto portfolio for 2024, 2025, so you can make massive amounts of profits in this bull market. So go grab your favorite beverage, whether it's coffee, whether it's tea, whether it's whiskey, bourbon, or anything like that. Come back, get a notepad and pen so you can take notes, because this may actually be the most important video you watch this year. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Briefit Thans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Briefit Thans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul, and this channel is all about crypto and cryptopreneurship. And today I'm going to show you how to build the ultimate crypto portfolio, or the perfect crypto portfolio, dare I say, so you can make profits this bull market. And look, I'm not just going to give you coin picks here. We'll talk about those later. But what I am going to do is show you how to actually build a crypto portfolio and the concepts behind it. Because right now, if you're watching this video around the summertime, maybe end of 2024, you still have a chance, but right now is the best time to build this crypto portfolio. The date today is the 25th of July, and you have a couple of weeks to a couple of months to get this right. So make sure you pay attention and let's get started. All right, the first thing you need to do before you set up your crypto portfolio is to actually like this video. If you like this video, then what will happen is subconsciously different powers will interact and actually help you and guide you through Jedi mind tricks to actually build this portfolio, and it will work. It's very important, so make sure you hit the like button. You will actually feel it. You will actually feel the power as you're hitting the like button. You're just gonna things are gonna come in and you're gonna get this perfectly. All right, so when you're building a crypto portfolio, there's a few things you need to keep in mind. First of all, you have your main portfolio, but then within this main portfolio, you have your segmented portfolios. What are segmented portfolios? Segmented portfolios are narrative-based portfolios within a portfolio in narratives that will take off. Pay attention, this will all make sense. So for example, here you would have your main portfolio, then you would have your AI portfolio, which is a segment, your gaming portfolio, which is also a segment, excuse my handwriting here, your Bitcoin ecosystem portfolio, and your meme coin portfolio. And then what you want to do is you want to split each portfolio into your high caps or blue chips. I just wrote high blue, like, I don't know, that would be a good rapper name or something. Then your mid caps, and of course your low caps and high risk. And you're going to do this for each segment. So for example, your main portfolio would consist of something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, TON, which is a new coin, because you want old and new coins. Listen, when you build a portfolio, don't just get new coins. You want your old coins and your new coins. And all the crypto influencers out there tell you, let's just get into new coins. No, especially at different times of the market, you want a mix of older coins and new coins. Look at any chart, look at historical data, you will see at the top 10, top 20, it's a mix of new and old. And the ones that pick the new coins, usually by luck, or maybe they do some analysis, or whatever they do, you have to understand that most coins go to shit, so there's a mix of older and newer coins, so keep that in mind. AVAX and so on, right? Then for AI, you would have something like Render, for example, Fetch.ai, which is now becoming ASI. There's a merge between Fetch, Singularity.net, and Ocean, which can be actually very powerful, so it should be part of your portfolio regardless. ChainGPT, AI Oz, and so on. Gaming, you would have something like IMX, Miria, a standalone game such as Pixels, for example, and let's say GFall as a mobile play, or maybe Nakamoto Games. Then for Bitcoin, you would have something like Orange, which is a wallet for BRC20 tokens. It's actually very good. It's the MetaMask of Bitcoin, if you will. And then you would get into some stamps, for example, SRC20 tokens, and of course, ordinals or BRC20 tokens, BRC20 tokens. Stamps are SRC20 tokens, so there's no confusion here. Then for your meme coins, you want some old school powerful memes with proof of concept such as Doge, which we've been calling before Elon Musk, and accumulating. Pepe, which we said will take market share from Shiba Inu, and it did. Then you want some new school plays. For example, on Linea, which is a new chain by MetaMask, you would want to hold Foxy long term. And also, let's say Brett from Base for a Base play, because Base is Coinbase's chain. And these ones you want to hold long term. There's no fear, or there is fear, but there's no short term take profits real fast sort of strategy, as we have talked about with meme coins. These are more of a hodl coins, if you will, because we're building a portfolio. And for a portfolio, you can be investor, swing trader, or even trader, but generally speaking, it doesn't matter what you are, you have a main portfolio like this. Now, this is more of an investor swing trader portfolio. We've explained how to navigate both of them, but let me show you something very important. And I'm going to expand on this and actually give you the perfect crypto portfolios in just 1 second for each segment. But what I want to stress to you is you have to take profits, whether you're an investor, whether you are a trader, whether you are a swing trader, you want to take profits. You gotta take profits. And when I say take profits, I don't mean exit all markets. I don't mean exit your position. I'm talking to take profits in different levels. For example, depending on where you are in the market, we talked about this in other videos and live streams, so we don't have to do it now. But depending on when you are in another market, you wanna do this. For example, let's take AI as a crypto portfolio, a segmented crypto portfolio. Let's say we got into Render. Let's say we got into Fetch. Let's say we got into ChainGPT. And let's say we got into something like AIOS or Veyot, just so I can give you this example, which is something we called to take profits on, and it worked out very well from us. Let's say Veyot does a 10x. You want to take out your initial investment. Now you're working with profits. Let's say it does a 20x. You want to take out 5 to 10x profits, if not more. What you want to be doing is taking out profits, and you want to be putting them into either the blue chips of that sector, depending on when we are in the market, or into Bitcoin. And you want to be doing this to protect your capital while still being exposed in cryptocurrency if you're doing this in 2024, beginning 2025, because there may be more upside. But if there isn't, and there's a big drop, but there are big drops in crypto all the time, then that Bitcoin can be used to buy the dip, or if it keeps on going up, buy lagged plays. Does that make sense? And that's how you build and accumulate and make a stronger crypto portfolio. Hey, Paul here, real quick. If you are getting value from my videos, if you are enjoying my videos, but you still have some questions or you have some sticking points, I actually do have one-on-one sessions available where I get to sit down with you, answer your questions, and show you how to navigate the cryptocurrency industry like a boss. So here you can actually book a one-on-one session with me for only $297, and we can talk about cryptocurrency. I can answer your questions, or maybe I can even give you hairstyling advice. So go ahead and check the link in the description down below, see if it's for you. Thank you for your time, and let's get back to the video. Another thing when you do this, if let's say your mid caps and lower caps all go to shit, you're still making profits from your blue chips, hopefully, in that sector. Maybe these ones you picked were wrong. Well, guess what? You're not totally out of it because you're still into this sector. Does that make sense? So for example, if you invested in 10 cryptocurrencies, depending on your budget, of course, for the portfolio, but let's say you have 10 cryptocurrencies when it comes to AI, you're taking a venture capitalist approach, you're betting, let's say, on 10 different projects, maybe only 1 or 2 do well, and everything else goes to shit, you've made profits. But let's say they all went to shit, well, chances are your blue chips will do well, so you're still exposed to AI, if that makes sense. Then, and we'll talk about more details of each cryptocurrency in each sector in just 1 second. I'll give you a crypto portfolio in each sector in just 1 second. But then what you may want to do is your whole crypto portfolio, let's say main portfolio, this is all your portfolio with your segments, with your AI, with your gaming and so on. Let's say you have your main crypto portfolio and you have, let's say, $10,000 in all of it. What you want to do is you want to have another $10,000 in just Bitcoin. Why do you want to do this? Not just because Bitcoin is king, not just because Bitcoin is hard sound money, but because Bitcoin is your protection or your guarantee, so to speak. Let me explain why. For example, this is a full amount of $20,000. Let's say you were wrong about all of these. You were completely wrong. It all goes to shit. It all goes to zero. It won't go to zero. It'll probably go down to, let's say, 1,000 or 2,000 or some shit like that. It doesn't really matter. But Bitcoin will probably 2x or 3x from here, depending on when you buy it at the very least. So what Bitcoin will do is it will guarantee you at least get your money back and a little bit more than whatever change is left over here, even more, so you're still making money in this crypto bull market. I hope that makes sense. I've made videos and talked about the importance of this in the past, but if you still need clarification, go ahead and comment down below, ask your questions, and maybe I'll make another video explaining this in more detail. Just let me know if that's something you want. Now, which cryptocurrencies do you want in each of these portfolios? Which ones do you want for AI specifically? Which ones do you want from gaming? Because this video is all about building the perfect crypto portfolio, but what specific coins would I put in each segment, if you will, of this perfect crypto portfolio? Well, as you may understand, I don't have time to put all these in one video. It'll be a very long video. So in the description down below, I've left the perfect gaming crypto portfolio for this bull market, the perfect AI crypto portfolio for this bull market, meme coin portfolio, Bitcoin ecosystem portfolio, and your main portfolio. Check the description down below, watch those videos, and if you're interested in AI right now, which I think you should be, make sure you watch this video right here. Start with this video. You don't want to miss this video. And don't forget to subscribe to The Crypto Factor.